Yes, welcome to Paradise Nation Originals. This is part one of the movie called Married Me for Papers. So, married me for papers, please marry me. I'm single until somebody is serious. So, yeah, big up yourself. Married Me for Papers, new movie. Part two is coming soon. So, continue to watch the old videos and the new videos because, yeah, watch, share, comment, like, subscribe, and please, the road to 50,000 subscribers. Please, I'm at 30,000 now, and I appreciate everybody that has been subscribing. Enough love. Let's start the movie.
Babes, babes, wake up, man, wake up.
Yes,
Remember say you tell me to wake you up, you know, because you have to start work 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
You can come jog with me too.
Babes, you know I don't like jogging.
Because you get all too fat.
Really? Fat? Babes, I don't like that word.
Alright, you're not fat, you're thick. Alright. I'm going to hold a beard and hopefully by that you will get up and get some stuff done. I remember say you have the clothes them where you washed from last night to hang out.
B, you give me so much work. I'm gonna have to work every day.
Alright, me go beard.
B, you know I have to go to work. You can make me some breakfast.
Babes, you know say me in the kitchen and a friend. But so when I live at mommy yard, that she cook and wash and do everything for me. So you know say me can't cook. But do what you have to do, me go beard. Alright?
Alright, what you say I go do that now?
You know, say me I go walk and see if me get one work. Cause honestly, you stay home busy and I go stay free.
Alright, yeah. When I get paid a weekend, I just get a little thing out of it. Not much, but I just get a little thing. I really want to help you to go to college and assist, but you know where I go. The Chinese people, them not really pay much money, so me make a get a piece of money here. Alright, so look more here.
Ah.
Alright, later.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, morning.
You know that I'm looking at work, any domestic work and anything like that.
Why would a young girl like you look for domestic work?
Well, to be honest, I have a couple subjects, but I just want a little work to save up some money to send back myself to school or something.
Oh, okay. I do have a lot of domestic work, but I don't have too much money. I work from home, but maybe you can come once a week and I can find you some work to do. Just help out with some cleaning and washing to
Once a
come in.
week?
Yeah, girl, I don't have so much money. I have a lot of work to do around the house, but I don't have money to pay you, so I can offer you, say, 2,000 per day, and once a week you can come in.
2 grand?
Yeah, girl.
Why not 3-5?
3,500.
Yes.
All right, how about we do 3,000?
No problem, I will work with that.
You can cook?
Yes, I can cook.
All right, you can come every Sunday and cook Sunday dinner and do some washing, but we have to wash by the river, you understand? You know, you never told me your name.
My name is Vanessa.
Vanessa?
Yeah.
All right, I'm Sharon. All right then, Vanessa, you can come, let's say 8 o'clock on a Sunday. Let's start this Sunday, all right? So make sure you come on time, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right. Babes, just don't leave yet. Give me 5 minutes. I want to talk to you and I want to make you a cup of tea before you go, all right?
Alright, no problem, babes. Me the right just me, I wait. Alright? Yeah, thanks. So, what you said you want to talk to me about now?
Well, babes,
You don't put no sugar in that tea.
I did be.
No, man, the tea fresh, man.
Babes, sometimes I feel like you don't appreciate me.
What if you say me not appreciate you? You can't say that, man. But, I mean, alright. What you said you want to talk to me about now?
We've been together for 1 year and we discussed it already. I need to get married to you so I can stay. Otherwise, I have to leave Jamaica.
I tell you, say, me not think some marriage a my thing. I feel like say, me don't want to rush into no marriage. It's not that. Me not love you nor nothing, you know. But the whole marriage thing, boy, I don't know. Me no want you go back home and I not tell no lie, but boy, marriage thing, me don't know. I don't know. I see too much people, they're happy together, and as soon as they're married, everything just fall apart. So right now, I think I'm ready for no marriage thing yet, you know. I think I want to wait a little bit more. 1 year to me is not enough time for me just jump married. So I could try to see if we can make couple little link and try to see if we can renew your work visa or something. But marriage, I have to just go and wait, yeah, man. If I that alone, you have to talk about me, I have to go to work, you know, come late.
Really, babes? That's how you do me, man.
If I anything later, just make sure say you cook. Fish and something in the fridge, make sure you cook later. Jovi!
Oi, me a come.
Alright, forward, me not can wait for you.
What are Richie?
Rotted. I think say I got work today in the night and I drink tea.
No, me have night shift today, that's why I never remember to text you and tell you. Them change my shift.
Alright, but you know something I sit and do and chat to you about too.
Yeah, man. Go on now. What time if you reach your work though?
Reach around 10.
What go on?
You know, so my woman I tell me say she want married and I tell her, I say, yo, I not depend on that, you know, man. She say, boy, she discussed it with me already and she say, boy, if me not married to her, she have to go back and foreign because her work visa go up.
So married to her?
You know, say me not depend on the marriage thing. Everybody when me see married, their marriage a mash up. So right now, me not depend on that, you know.
Come on, marriage. From me, I used to day I talk about you know want married. That big man now time for settle down. Marry the girl, make she get her thing, and you know you love her, and she look like a nice girl. So do the thing, do the right thing, help her. Get me I say?
You know what? Me late for work. Later.
Yeah, man. All of a sudden you're late for work. Go on your ways. See you later, though. You don't answer me. You're lucky.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Hello, this is SHL International. Sharon speaking. How can I help? Sure, I can definitely look into that for you. Just please let me know what's the problem again. Okay, no problem. Just give me your name and your... Okay, would you please let me know your TRN number? Okay. Yep. It looks like you haven't paid your last bill. This is why you're having issues. Yeah. So the outstanding balance is 21,000. Yeah, but you have to pay it now. Otherwise, I can't really help you with that. Okay. Yeah, but we can't process without you paying the bill first. Okay. All right. Okay, well, once you pay that, then you can process with the papers and we can make sure it's done, okay? All right, thanks for calling. Have a great day.
Miss Sharon! Miss Sharon! Miss Sharon!
Yeah, morning.
Good morning. I'm here for the work.
What work?
You said I should be here 8 o'clock. Today is Sunday.
A Sunday today?
Yes.
Oh, good. All right, come on in. All right, you can start from here. Just pack it up, make it look nice, okay?
Okay.
And you see, sweep up the floor and mop it too.
Okay.
Vanessa,
Yes, ma'am.
you know, I don't really know anything about you. And you know, you're in my house. I would like to know a bit more about you and your life and, you know.
Mom, you know, say, I come from a small family. Just me and my brother. And my brother work, but not much to send me back to school or anything. So I'm on my own trying to work some money to save up to send back myself to school.
Aw. It's kind of sad, but I'm happy that I managed to help you, you know?
I'm grateful.
Yeah, we can work this out. Because you see, if you didn't come in the house, my boyfriend, like, he really overworks me. He don't really help me. And he says he loves me and I love him back. But, you know, I'm here on a work visa. You probably know that already. You hear the accent. And I came here to work on a work permit. But in reality, I need to get married. And my man wouldn't marry me. I don't know why. He said he loves me, but he says he's not ready for marriage. And the only way for me to stay here is to get married. No, say I love Jamaica so much. The culture, the people, the food. And I really, really want to stay. I'm working here, Jamaican salary, and this is how much I love Jamaica, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. But my man wouldn't marry me.
Really? Well, I can help you in this situation because my brother is single and you help me out. So I can help you back out in that situation.
Okay. Even if I need to pay, I will pay, you know, because I really need to get out of this situation. So chat to your brother and see, because I'm a nice girl. I don't know if he wants money or you can just help me out, but I'm ready to pay if the need be, okay?
I'm going to ask him.
Okay. Thank you, girl.
Welcome.
Yeah, if you can come in, just, maybe like Thursday, you can do Thursday instead?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Hi, baby.
Oh, good.
Good one.
Yeah, let me talk to you. How will you lady or something?
She's just a helper, I heard, B.
You really mean to tell me say you hire somebody?
Babes, I'm overworked.
Take time talk. Alright. You see, as long as you appear and my money to promoter, that good.
Really, babes? Well, I'm paying for her, okay? My money.
Alright. Me not quarrel still, let me just say. You are, which one of the cook? You are she? Can you say hire help, you know?
I'm cooking, she's just cleaning.
Take time. Alright. Me not too quarrel. Me go bathe and change my clothes and go in some dinner. Alright?
Babes, but I work full time, clean full time, cook full time, sex you full time. I don't even have time for myself.
Jesus Christ. Alright.
And you don't even help me, you know?
Alright. Because it obviously look like you want to hear everything, so me go bathe. I shouldn't even say nothing to you. Do it, alright.
Richie, there, I'm not going to bring my phone.
Hey.
Hi, good evening.
Evening.
I'm Richie inside.
And you are?
Jovi's neighbor, I live across the street.
Oh,
Can you tell him to call him, please?
alright.
Thanks.
Hey, those you want one?
What, you good?
You want me there ready for me?
Listen, I have a little emergency. I'm going to need some money for borrow like right now. Where you can do for me like about 10 grand.
Alright, here. I don't have 10 grand for me. But I have in my account, I could just transfer it to you. Then, because I still have the account up to my app, you know, so I can't send it.
Yeah,
So
man.
send it,
That alright, man.
Alright, so no worries, so no deal, alright?
Alright,
You
thanks.
good though?
Kinda, I don't know, but to me, alright.
Alright, everything all good, man. Alright, later, here.
Alright, later.
Alright,
Thanks,
cool.
sir.
You know, say, tell you the truth, Mr. Chin raise my pay, you know?
I lie you tell. So how Mr. Chin for raise the pay and not give me extra pay? I mean I do so much work down there, brother. All I pack so much bag, I almost broke my back.
Let me tell you something. You need to check Mr. Chin. Because a $5,000 extra I put on my pay.
Yo, you lie, sir, brother.
I swear, 5,000. When me see it, see me. Watch, for sure, say. Sure, it's not a lie, I tell you. See, 5,000 extra.
No, sir. No, sir. As a man in me, I go to Mr. Chin. You idiot.
Go to him, man.
Brother, I don't know normal working. Me I put down now Mr. Chin now.
You better go a morning. First thing I man.
Yo, brother, I say there. You can talk to you a minute, evening.
You know what? Me see a morning.
Yo, Alton, you know say the lady who me do the one day work for, she need little help.
What you want me to kill somebody?
No, you idiot. Nothing like that.
So what you want me to do?
You know say some married business, you see me? She say she dep on a work permit and she want married for get her state in the country. But she have an idiot man done there. Boy not ready for married yet. So me I wonder if you could have help her out for me there.
Hold on, me understand clearly what you're trying to say. She come from foreign for a work permit. She like Jamaica. She want to stay here. and she want to get her papers, right?
Yeah.
And she want married.
Yeah.
So she look good.
Yes.
She have money.
No really, you know, man. I want Jamaican, you know, so.
Me have to go see about that, you know. Me have to go see about that because if you go married to somebody you know, it's rough for business. So on. So what our man say about it?
Him don't know about it. I just me I'll do my little business.
Yo, Vanessa, me have to think about it. Big man thing. But you want to go to college and me done now work the money already and me want to help you out. You should make this be opportunity for you to chop a piece of money off her so you can go to college.
You know, say she not have it like that, but some of the time, you know, if you consider, you know, to help out others, you know, because it could have been you and it could have been me.
Anyways, come on, because me think about it. We have to have another chat about it here. Go cook some food and eat.
Morning, bro.
You couldn't wake me up. I said it late.
Oh, what time?
10:30, man.
Oh, sorry. Babe, I want to chat to you, you know.
I'm just waking up. What happened?
I want to talk to you about the girl that came in yesterday. What did she want and, like, who is she? Because...
You know, somebody don't like lie to you, right? I always try to ensure somebody tell you the truth. She's my ex. Yes, she's my ex. And the reason why she came by yesterday, she wanted some money to borrow.
Why are you giving money to your ex? And you know, we're struggling right now, right? I may ask you for money for buy food sometime or do my nails and you say we don't have no money.
All right. The thing is, we have a good relationship. No, this is not. Me and my ex, we have a good friendship. And if me in a one position where me need money for borrow, I can ask her. So if she in a one position where she want a money for borrow, me lend her, that's it. We in a one relationship.
No. Why you in a good relationship with your ex? You don't have children with her. And you give her money, you prioritize her over me and our household.
I'm not prioritizing anything. It's just that you have to understand the type of person that I am. If somebody asks me for help, me help. That's all. And that's what I say, help go where help come from.
So she helped you before?
Of course, like me I tell her that me in a position where me really need the help as it pertains to money-wise, and she lend me. And that was just it. If me give her back, and that's it. It's not like if me lend her this time, she now give me back. She'll give me back.
But if my ex comes to me and starts asking me for money and other things, I hope you don't mind that I'm gonna give to them.
You know what? Make we finish the conversation because it kind of get out of hand. Because if you all tell me, say, if your ex come and want money and other things, you go give him, you go too far now. Never wash my face and brush my teeth.
That's not what I meant and you know it.
All right. cut you alright. Not tell me say they're on the same foolishness from yesterday. You know, later. I'm not make you make me late for work.
Yeah, girl, today I'm a day off. I'm a day home. I'm just like go and look out because the place boring. I'm glad for the little day off, honestly. I'm tired, I'm beat. What shift you have? Oh. I can't manage the night shift, it has stressed me. I'm like, my head, I tear off when I reach in a morning time. Like, I can't manage it. I can't manage.
Supervisor Blake, Mr. Blake, when is the next meeting? 3 o'clock? Okay. Mr. Blake, I'm going on my break now, my lunch break, okay? Anything we need to discuss, we can pick it up in the next meeting, okay? All right. Javi,
Hi.
talk to me now.
Soon call you back. Yeah? How can I help you?
You're Richard's ex.
Yeah. What happened?
You know what ex means? You exit his life. And mine too. Why are you still talking to him, coming to the house, begging for money?
What's the name again? Because I don't remember your name. First of all, Richard is my ex. We're close, first and foremost. And it all depends on what Richard think. If Richard wants to talk to me, no problem. If Richard decides he still want to talk to me, how are you going to stop that?
Why are you taking money from my household when we have no food to buy and he gives you money?
I didn't take money from Richard. I borrowed it from Richard. And if there's no food in your house, that has nothing to do with me. You talk to your man about that. I borrowed the money from him. I did not take it. I was going to give him back. And why is Richard going around and telling me my business?
What do you mean? Your business? This is our business. This is our house. I live with Richard. We have a...
Then you shouldn't be coming to me. You go to your man. Why are you coming to me? You're coming out my yard to me.
You is the reason why we cannot get married.
I'm the reason? Why you don't want to marry you? I mean, Richard came here and I encouraged him to marry you. I encouraged him. So I don't know why you're coming to me and all up in my face at my home. I have family inside.
Hold on for a second. Richard came to you and he's chatting about our business?
He's not chatting your business. He came to me as a friend. We're friends. Our relationship is way back when, years ago. We're good friends. He's there for me, I'm there for him. And that is just it.
You're not supposed to be friends with your ex.
What do you mean? So because he's my ex, we should automatically become enemy? That does not make any sense. We're neighbors. Hex. We grow together.
Hex means exit the life. You're exiting. You're not supposed to be there.
Well, sweetheart, go to your man and tell him that don't have nothing to do with me. So you never necessarily come to me. You should have talked to your man and make your man come to me and talk to me. So you don't need to come to me and say, leave your man alone. Me and Richard are friends. From way back when. We were even friends before we got together. The relationship no work out because we're too much of friends. We know each other like that. Him there for me, me there for him. Him come to me about you and marriage and I encouraged him. I said, marry her. She looks like a nice girl and you love her. What a big deal.
That you said?
Yeah, that's what I said to him. You can go and ask him. He came here and spoke to me about you. So this wasn't necessary.
All right, so what did he say exactly? Why he don't want to get married to me?
He did not say why he doesn't want to marry. He was just asking my opinion on the situation. But as I said, you go talk to him. He's your man. It wasn't right that you come to me.
What do you mean, girl? You have nobody else to borrow money from?
As I said, we're very close. He does favors for me.
I don't like you close to my man. You're not supposed to be close to him, girl.
Listen, I'm not in the bag of talking. Nobody not supposed to hear my mouth. If I come here come for war, start it. Because I'm ever ready.
Really?
So if you come for war, you start it because I'm ever ready. You don't need to come to me about a man. Me not the chatting. So if you want to get physical, let's get physical and get it over with.
Physical? You want to get physical with me?
No, you come to me.
Of course I come to you because you're coming to my man's house asking for money.
I borrowed the money. That is what we do when he
When are you
has
planning
his
to
problem.
return the money?
That is between me and Richard. And no matter of fact, me just left the two of them alone because this don't make no sense. We're not supposed to this with no woman and them man. At worst, me and him not there. You're not supposed to do them things. You look how you're nice. You go to your man and talk to him. You don't do them things, the girl.
Girl, last time I asked Richard for money, he not give me nothing. And you come in and he just give to you like that.
Well, I am sorry about that. That is not my problem. That is not my fault. As I said, Richard do favors for me and I do the same. He borrows from me and I do the same. That's just the friendship that we have. There's no ties, nothing to it. So you need to talk to your man and stop coming to me. That don't make no sense.
All right, stop the talk. Just
don't come to me. All right, then you leave from my gate, please and thank you. I would appreciate it.
Have a great day.
You too, honey. You too.
Hello?
Richie.
What going?
Well, something to talk to you about, you know. When you reach him, just stop on me yard and call me.
Alright, that's alright. When we reach him, just call him.
Yeah, man. Don't forget, you know.
Alright, cool.
Alright.
Hey, Jovi.
Yeah. You reach outside?
Yeah, man, I'm there gate.
Me I come.
Alright. Hey, what going on? It's something to you now.
You want to say a woman come to me this morning with argument. Oh, I come borrow money from you and she want back the money and I made the reason why you don't want to marry her. Ridiculous.
I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. I'm sorry even to tell her. I apologize for that too. It's just that the day when you come to me, she asked me what that was about and I never want to lie to her. You know what I mean? So I just tell her the truth, say, it's that money you come borrow from me. I mean, you don't have a good relationship with her and I like, see, you now give me back. You know what I mean? I say, so I'm really sorry about that. As I go home, I'm going to talk to her about it. I'm sorry again.
You know I'm in the drama. You know. So just talk to her when you go in and make sure you know, because she even asked me about, I tell her, say, me talk about marriage. So just in case she asks you, I tell her, say, me encourage you for marry her. So,
Alright. No worry yourself. Me deal with it. Alright?
make sure, because I don't want no more confrontation, alright?
Alright, I'm sorry about that again. Alright, later.
Yeah, man.
Could you repeat that for me, please? Yep. Mm-hmm. 1 second, I'm checking. Sure. No problem. Cool, so I think it looks like there's a problem. I'll need to contact the supervisor for you, okay? So we can look into it in more detail. Okay? Alright, so we're gonna call you back by 6 p.m., okay? Okay, have a great day. So, you ready to talk now?
Well, alright, let's put it like this. What I really want to talk to you about is you shouldn't go to Jovi. Yeah, me see her not too long and she stopped me and said to me, say, yo, you come over there and I go on with one bag of things. I say me and she there and how me and lend her money and all these things. Me done discuss to you, me done explain to you already and tell her, say, me and she's not in a relationship. We're just good friends.
Richie, just last week I asked you for money and you say you have nothing to give me. And then she comes through and you just give her the money to borrow. So suddenly you have money? And I work so hard for the household to put food on the table, and you never have money to fix up the damn AC. You know, see how I sweat? And she come and...
Alright, it's not so much even about the fact that she borrowed money, because that gone and past. It's the fact that you went to her and cuss her. Me never expect you to do them something. You better anything but if you deal with it, you better me deal with it in our house. You understand me? I say that's all I'm saying. Me not quarrel or nothing. But just I say next time a situation like this, you make we deal with it. Okay. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, and please just stop believing me and she there. We're not there. We're just friends. So next time all you do just talk to me about it. Alright? Come here. Come here. Come on, hug me up, man. Sure. Alright?
Babes, you have to prioritize the household, okay?
Alright, me definitely do that, alright?
Not Jovi, the house.
Alright, no problem. Me make sure the house and you is my number one priority, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So me I go hold a shower and you can probably just match up something quick for you. Alright?
Babes, carry me got date.
Alright. Me I go to bed and then we can go. Alright? Alright. Yeah.
Hello?
Yo, bro, where you there? Me there for golf course, you know.
You up at golf course?
Yeah,
Yeah, oh.
me and the female.
Alright, so far. Give me 5 minutes.
Ah.
Girl, I'm a little nervous, you know.
Why you nervous? Remember, I don't know relationship thing, you know. I just, do it for your papers.
Right. I guess so.
Oh, and see my come clean, nice brother.
I guess it's alright.
Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm Sharon.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna go in some space, me gonna talk.
Alright. So, what's up?
I guess Vanessa told you a little bit about my situation.
Well, she told me, but I'd rather hear from you though.
Okay, so I am on a work permit, right? And for me to stay in the country, I need to get married, because if I don't, then they're kind of gonna kick me out, or I extend the work permit. But my man, he's not ready to get married. That's the issue. And well, Vanessa said you can help me out. I helped her out, and she said he was a nice guy. So I just needed to marry me for papers. That's all it is, really.
Honestly, I don't have a problem with helping you, you know. But you know, that's my little sister, right? And she wants to go to college, and I don't really have no money. But if me I would do this for you, but I want to at least know so she can get even something if can pay a school fee, so me can actually help her out. You see me? So this is me helping her out as my little sister. So if you can actually come up with something for gear, I don't have no problem with you if you just married for your papers. You see me? And you seem like a very nice, beautiful girl. So I really don't understand why your man wouldn't really want to marry you and you look so nice.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense because I already hired her, right? What I can offer is that just give her 1 or 2 extra shifts and throw some extra money on it so that she makes more money, does less work, and she can go back to college, all right? Give me your number. We need a lot of documents to collect, and I'm just gonna give you a call and explain everything, and then we set a date.
All right, no problem. Can I just talk to Vanessa and then she can just pass on the information to me? All right?
ALTON, right?
Yeah, man, ALTON.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, this is one good spot to wash.
Okay, but before we wash, I want to chat to you, okay?
Where do you want? Where is it?
Babes, I think I found a solution to our marriage problem.
What do you mean you find solution?
Well, remember, I have to stay in the country and I have to get married, and you don't want to marry me. So Vanessa offers some help.
What do you mean Vanessa offer help?
Well, she has a brother, and he said he can help out and marry me, so I can get the papers. That wouldn't be like a married thing, you know. That is just for papers, so I can stay.
Hold on. How that I go look? For you married to somebody else and live in a house with me. I idiot you all, everybody in the community gonna take me for idiot.
Do they really need to know? You don't want to marry me, so what me to do?
Remember I said we talked about this already, you know. And we said boy we could at least try to see if I can get back the work for me. Now you talk about getting married to somebody else. Yo, I joke this, you know what?
Richie, I already told you the work permit situation is expensive, and my work said they're not gonna cover the fee. So you're gonna cover 300,000 for 1 year?
Yo, this too much for me right now. I swear to God, this is too much for me. So the best thing you do, I just finish wash your clothes them and the way I do and then come down. May I go down? Right now you give me a headache. May I go down?
Really, Richie?
Yeah, later. When you come home. Hold on, give me a minute. I want to talk to you. Don't answer. You know, say, I get to understand, say, you find man give me a woman for married.
Me? Nothing like that. The lady just did that tell me her situation and me I try to help her out. So I asked my brother to help her out.
Alright, you are going. Me no want you nor your brother do me woman no favor, you know. Because I try to mash up my relationship, you know. Look how long me and my woman there happy and she asked me about marriage and me I tell her say yo me not ready. I know I come put ideas in her head. Yo, you are going now. Me just want to make you know say you no longer go work here.
Really?
Yeah man, really. So here what you gonna do? You're not gonna tell a woman so me tell her if you left, you know. You just want to tell her say you get a job and you get a better offer so you're gonna take it.
What me I gonna do? I do one look work on me account pan with when me I get $3,000 to help myself to go back to school.
You should think about that before you put your nose in my business.
Boy, oh boy. So when you try to help somebody, don't know me get the shitty part. If me didn't know me no help your woman, you know.
I just start me the one for set you know, so just when my woman come, just make sure you tell her that. Alright? Don't that me have to set you, me don't talk.
Sharon,
What happened to you?
you know, so I get a full-time job, so I have to go left the work and go do it.
What you mean full-time job?
Yeah, I get a full-time job.
Why? I just hire you, girl. Talk to me now, man. What's wrong?
You know, some day in there sweep and him stop me saying he want to talk to me. Tell me to go sit down. So when I sit down, him tell me say I have to come back.
Why? First of all, why you chatting to my man for?
He must say me I try to hook up you with my brother. So that's the reason. So he talk about you. He come like me come here to mash up female for your life.
And that you must say?
Yes, miss.
Oh, God. So, How did you find a job so quickly?
You know, say your man tell me to tell you that.
Wow. Okay. You know what? Vanessa, take the rest of the day off. I'm going to chat to Richie, and I'm going to reach out when I'm ready. All right?
Alright.
Okay. Sorry about that, dear.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Good evening and welcome to Paradise Nation Originals. My name is ALTON Garden Originals on Instagram, Paradise Nation Originals on YouTube. And thank you to everyone that has been showing their love and support. Big up, we are 30,000 subscribers now, and me thank each and every one of you guys that's been subscribing, sharing the video, liking, commenting. You don't mind, you can comment more so we can know one of the thoughts. And you see me? Big up to everybody that has been subscribing, and just a lot of work. Been doing a lot of work. Both shooting for Richard Brown Films, shooting for Paradise Nation, and I know the whole thing goes. So big up Richard Brown, and then I see there now my edit, and when I come off, I go edit again. So big up on yourself, thank you again. And right now, just in case someone is calling me, you guys won't get me because my phone is mashed up by shooting, and so yeah, we need a new phone, you know. And so anybody who wish to help me get a new phone, I'll appreciate it. And big up on yourself, big up everybody from the US, England, Canada, Germany, Switzerland, Dubai, Africa, Brazil, everywhere. Me can't tell an exact amount of countries that's watching us, and the whole Caribbean. Big up everybody from Trinidad, Barbados. You see me? I say big up everyone from Grenada. You see me? Big up on yourself. Big up St. Kitts 80, everywhere. You know I watch this from. Big up on yourself. Share, comment, like, so we can know what, yeah? So big up on yourself. Thank you guys again. And also we'll be moving to a new location soon, so when we know about that. So big up on yourself, and big up to all Richard Brown. Big up yourself, bro. More like my father, more like my brother. Everything in our one. We're family, so big up yourself. And big up to all the actors and actresses that has been working with both Paradise Nation Originals and Richard Brown Films. We just love everybody who passed through, who is a part of the team. Big up everybody. We'll jam in with big up yourself. Understand? Out.